Our last topic in senior 2 is set theory. Yeah, one of the easiest topics. If you know the language, 100% you score everything on that. So the context there is the learner uses sets to solve problems. It's very clear and brief. So determine the number of elements and so on. So let us see the chapter, let us see the scenario we have here. In a school cafeteria, like where people get food, the cafeteria is where like a cafe. You can get internet cafe, food, like, see? Now here is where people get food. The food committee is gathering information for students' preference to plan a special meal. There are 100 students. So that means that our university is 100. So there are 100 students in the whole class. Or what they are planning for. So here we have 100 students in the university. Then they are telling us that 72 eat meat. So we have those who eat meat, they are 72. So those who eat meat are 72. 68 chicken, they are 60. And 58 eat beans. So beans, those who eat beans are 58. 58 eat beans. It was found that the number of students who eat both meat and chicken only are twice those who eat the number of students who eat chicken and beans only. So chicken and beans here only are, if these ones are x, then these ones are 2x, because these ones are twice these ones. Okay, we continue. Additionally, 8 students eat only beans, so 8 eat only beans, 5 eat only chicken, and 15 eat meat and beans only. 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 So here we have 15 only. Students who don't eat any of the 3 are equal to those who eat chicken only. So who don't eat any of the 3 are equal to those who eat chicken only. So these are 5. The committee is deciding to serve a mixed platter with all the 3 items, or focus on just one dish. Yeah, I would have made this scenario better. But anyway, so with the unknowns this one, I'm going to call it A, then I call this one maybe Y. So now we are going to base our decision, but I wish I made it that if the number of are equal to those who are eating only 1, it would have been better. If maybe I had, okay, I'm going to set another scenario that is focusing on that the decision is about those who eat 1 only. If the number is greater than this, then they will serve. Anyway, so here they want us to, the decision they are going to make is they will serve a mixed platter if those who are eating the 3 are more than that. Otherwise, they will give focus on a single dish. So now, meaning our task, we have now to get just the unknowns y and x. So what are we going to use? So I can start with these ones. This one has 3 unknowns, so it's not good to start. It's not good to use. This set has 3 unknowns, so it's not good to first use it. This one has 2 unknowns, x and y. Also, this one has 2. So we first focus on these 2. So if I focus on those who are eating the chicken only, which are 60, I'm going to say now 2x plus y plus x plus 5, they are just 60. So which will give me 3x plus y equals to, take this on the other side, you get now 55. When you take this minus, so 60 minus 5, so this is my equation 1. Then I also focus on those who eat beans, they are 58. Were they 58? Yep, it's clear, 58. So I also focus on this. I say y plus x plus 15 plus 8. It is what? They are giving me a total of 58. So this will be y plus x. So that is going to be 23. Okay, so plus 23. 23 equals 58. Take that aside, so your y plus x is just, when you subtract, you get 35. So 35. This is our equation what? Equation 2. So now I solve these two to get the value I want. So solve 1 and 2. How? Start with this one. 3x plus y equals 55. Bring this one. So, but I want to start with x. 35. Dash. We use our dash there. This is now elimination. By the way, if you want the full topic of sets, visit the playlist, then tap on it, scroll down, you'll see sets in the details. Anyway, that says different signs add, same signs subtract. So we have same signs, so we are going to subtract. This will give us 2x equals 2. When you subtract that from that, you get 20, implying that our x is what? Is 10 if you divide. After getting the value of x, now we need to get the value of y from any, but I want to take this. So from y plus x equals to 35. So my y plus 10 equals 35, implying that my y is 25. So after getting y, you can come and get the value of a from there. So now our n of which is 72. So I get now my a plus 2x plus y plus 15 equals to 72. So my a plus 2x, which is 2 into 10. My x is 10, then plus y, which is 25 plus 15 equals 72. This is 20. This one is 40. So this is 10, 20 plus 4, that is 60. Then my a will be, take the side, will be 12. So now, after getting all the unknowns, we can now come to our question. It would have been better if I had set it the other way around. Anyway, advise the committee whether they are going to serve a mixed platter or focus on simple dish. We say that if the number of students who eat the 3 is more than 30, it's that those who eat more the 3, they are 25. They will serve a mixed platter. If fewer than 30 students eat all the 3, then they will serve, focus on a single dish. So, then you come and conclude that since those who eat all the 3 dishes are what? Are 25 less than 30. Then we said if they're less than 30, then they will focus on which? They will focus, then they should serve a single dish. Single dish. You have helped the society handle their problem. That's it, members. That was senior 2. We are now going to move to senior 3. But for any topic you want, please go to the playlist. You will see sets, vectors, whatever, reflection, rotation, everything we've covered. You see them in details because we have not covered much of the graphical work, but they are there because we are focusing on a few activities of integration, but there are many. Always, you can buy the also my website. You can find the solutions typed.